I'll show you how you can delete Instagram search suggestions. From your Instagram home screen here, you want to go ahead and go to the search bar here and then go to the tab on the front one here. Now on here, you can see there's a couple of search suggestions that we can delete. So for example, if I want to type in try, you can see it'll be try right here. And then afterwards, if you want to delete that, so you can see on the reason there'll be try, you can delete it by either pressing on this X icon on the right here, and then they'll delete the search suggestion. Or you can also go to the blue all here, see all, and then on here you can download it, you can delete it here, or you can delete all of it by tapping on clear all like this. Now if you clear all, you see you won't be able to undo this. If you clear your search history, you may still see accounts you've searched for as a suggested result. Now that you can't delete, but on here recent searches you can delete. So just tap on clear all, and of course it will delete all of your search suggestions. Make sure you're sure before doing this, because then you can't get it back at all.